Think they're gonna know I just woke up? That's much better. Hi guys, I'm Jessica, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few tips and tricks on how to look professional and have your appearance look great on virtual online platforms. So, are you pre-recording your session and then coming on for live Q&A? We have seen many people do that, and one thing that we always suggest is to make sure that the outfit that you're wearing in your pre-recording and your background match what you're wearing during your live Q&A and match your background. So this way, the transition from your pre-recording to your live Q&A or your live session go as seamlessly as possible. That's it for today, guys, and I look forward to talking to you soon.